funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
Hey guys, today I will show you how to DIY a shopping bag out of an old pair of denim jeans. This bag is very durable and can be washed at 60 degrees. At first I decide on the size of the bag. I work with the actual width and cut off the legs to determine the length. Then I open the inner leg seams all the way up to the crotch using a seam ripper. I flip the pants inside out, lay them flat and pin the excess fabric of the crotch area. I do that with both the front and the back. Using a regular stitch, I sew along the needles and also sew down the excess onto the main fabric so that it's safe and secure. Again, I do that for both the front and the back of the pants. This is how it looks now. Since the back is longer than the front and since it's also not straight, I take a pair of scissors and cut off the excess fabric. Now we need to make a bottom. For that I use one of the legs I cut off earlier. I cut it open to get a decent size of fabric and pin it down. Obviously this is too big a piece, but I will cut off about half of it when I'm like halfway done pinning. I close the seams using a regular stitch and finish the edge using a zigzag stitch. Next up is the straps, because we need to be able to carry our shopping bag. I used the other chopped off leg, cut it in half lengthwise, mark how wide I want each strap to be and cut off all the excess fabric. Fold the fabric lengthwise and pin the right sides together at the edge. Sew along and flip the whole thing back again so that the right side is now visible. I do the same with the other strap, obviously. I pin the straps to the inside of the bag and sew them on using a regular stitch again. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you again soon.